हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं प्रोफेसर पूनम थेटे। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे सोफोक्लिस सोफोक्लिस ड्रामा एंटीगोन. It is a drama of a language of art. There is the background of this drama. This drama is in the 496 to 406 BC. It means before the Christian age. It is the wealthy Athenian family and well educated and well connected family. This drama is the politically astute. It means remember that democracy is a relatively new concept at this time. This drama is established playwright Aeschylus in a drama competition in 468 BC and won either first or second place in the same competition for 1550 competitions over a span of 62 years. It is the drama of ancient Greek playwright. It is the wrote about the 1 to 3 plays of which only 7 have survived. They include religious apathy and dangers of hubris. In this drama, there is a called as Aristotelian tragedy. It is the Aristotle's definition of tragedy as recorded in the Poetics. It means there is the some characteristics of tragic hero has noble stature and greatness. It means socially and morally, but there is tragic hero is not perfect. It is downfall at least partially his own fault, generally hubris. It means punishment exceeds crime. It is fall not wholly lost. There is a awareness for the hero. Catharsis, purging of pity and fear. Catharsis is purity of a pity and fear. There is a next structure of tragedy is a dramatic structure. It means exposition, exciting and inciting force. It is means rising action. It means climax. It means it is the climax and then downfall action. In this drama there is movement of final suspense and catastrophe. These are the dramatic structure of this tragedy. And there is some back dynamic functional of this tragedy picture, and there is background is the king Laius and Thebes queen Jocasta. It means Oedipus background in this Antigone. Oedipus Rex is the King Laius and Thebes Queen Jocasta. In this drama, there is a same as per the characters are play in this drama. And there is Oedipus. It means Eteocles and Polynicus are supposed to take turns ruling the kingdom, and but Eteocles and won't give up the throne at the end of the year, and war ensues and brothers kill each other, and Creon Jocasta brother takes the throne and declares Polynicus a trainer. And then there is all Antigone wants to do is the bury Polynicus, but Creon won't let her. It means conflict between the divine law versus man of law. This is the conflict. There is cultural note. Cultural note is the burial rites fell to women who wash, dress and adorn the body. There is the only close relative participated in burial rites. There is taken very seriously in Greek culture. There are various problems. Only a properly buried soul can proceed the underworld, and there is the some consider role of the citizen, civil disobedience, family obligation, divine law versus state law of man. There is term to define is the prologue, paradox, trophy anti-strop. There are the some chorus picture of this drama. In this drama there is the perfect dramatic tragedy, this drama Antigone by Sophocles. Thank you so much.